Hello, I'm Amaryllis and I will show you how you can upgrade your old denim into Christmas stockings. First, download and print the free Christmas stocking pattern. You can find the link in description. You first have to assemble the pattern with tape. Then you can cut out the pattern shape. Once the pattern is ready, take the denim and lay it flat. Try to align the waist edges on the top and place the stocking pattern on it. Double check where you position the Christmas stocking patterns on the denim. Take the time to think where the denim pocket will show on the Christmas stocking. Once you are happy with the placement, pin the two layers of the denim together. And double check that both layers of denim are perfectly flat. Report the pattern shape on the denim. Next step is to make a seam following the pattern shape you just draw on the denim. Do not forget to use a heavy fabric needle because you will have to sew several layers of denim and it's quite thick. Remove all the pins. And now you have to cut out the stocking shape. You can cut at half centimeter of the seam, which is a quarter of inches. This is how the Christmas stocking looks like on one side and then on the other side. To finish the denim look of this Christmas stocking, I want the denim to fray on the edges, so I pull out the threads. You will need something to hang your stocking. Unstitch a belt loop from your denim, fold it to make a loop and slide it on top of your Christmas stocking and just make a few stitches to hold it in place. Once you are done, I suggest washing the stocking. It will remove the pattern lines you trace on it and it will also accentuate the edge fraying. You can make at least 2 stockings out of the same denim pair. Here they are, dry and clean. You can add some embellishments if you like. I will hang some pine branches and stars. But you can also decorate the denim stocking with embroidery, paint, or Christmas patches if you like. Have fun upcycling and crafting for Christmas. Do not forget to like and follow for more easy DIY and sewing tutorials.